In the currency quadrant, the euro ends the day down a little over 0.5%, about 112.82 and a half or so. A lot of this on the Christine Lagarde nomination. Christine Lagarde was nominated to be the new head of the ECB as Mario Draghi is stepping down, and she's viewed as very dovish after the way she handled the IMF and some of her other roles. And it's also generally considered in the EU that the French and the Italians are more dovish and the Germans are more hawkish. So her nomination is actually more of kind of like a moment of relief for the euro market, that there wasn't going to be a hawkish German banker in the role that Mario Draghi took. Christine Lagarde's nomination has been bearish for the euro as we now complete 6 days in a row down, 6 sessions lower for the euro against the US dollar, and 7 of the last 8 sessions. We also had some pretty weak EU data over the last couple of days. During the holiday closed markets here in the US, you got EU retail sales, and that missed quite dramatically, especially on the year-over-year figure, which was supposed to come out at up 1.6, came out well lower than that, 0.4 lower than that. And then German factory orders last night missed estimates as well. So the weak EU data also gives you the idea that with a dovish ECB president coming in, that you could see rate hikes or some sort of stimulative measure from the ECB sooner rather than later, putting pressure again on the euro. And then US payrolls this morning were quite strong overall, erasing the weak data we had from the May numbers. The June numbers beat the headline number. There was 2 months of revisions lower for the last two, but it was a 40 some odd thousand, about 44,000 beat from the estimates to what the actual number was. So from that perspective, it was a pretty strong number overall, and that strengthened the dollar, taking that 50 basis points cut out of the picture for the market for this upcoming meeting for the U.S. Federal Reserve, strengthening the dollar, biggest move we've had in a dollar in quite a while, and that was a little bit of pressure on the euro as well.